When that P0105 code pops up, it feels like your car is trying to tell you something, but is it a simple fix or the beginning of a costly mess? Stay with me, because what you learn in the next few minutes might save your engine and your money. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today we're looking at the P0105 engine code, and if your car's been acting weird because of it, don't worry. I'll show you the symptoms, the causes, and the simple steps to fix it so you can get your car running smooth again. First, what exactly is the P0105 code? P0105 is a general code that signals an electrical issue or malfunction in the manifold air pressure circuit. Symptoms you might notice. Hesitate when you press the gas. Because the engine isn't getting the right air pressure reading, it struggles to respond smoothly. Idle rough like the engine is struggling. This happens because the wrong air pressure signal throws off the fuel mix and the engine can't stay steady. Stall at stoplights. The engine loses the proper air-fuel balance, so it can't stay running when you come to a stop. Lose power during acceleration. The engine isn't getting accurate pressure data, so it can't deliver the power you need when you step on the gas. Burn more fuel than normal. The incorrect pressure reading makes the engine dump in extra fuel to compensate, which wastes gas. Now, the important part: what actually causes it. A dirty MAP sensor, a broken or cracked vacuum hose, loose wiring or a damaged connector, a clogged air filter messing up airflow, low battery voltage. So here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method A: the MAP sensor. The MAP sensor is usually mounted on the intake manifold, sometimes right beside the throttle body. Carefully remove it and check for any cracks, broken pins, or other signs of damage. If something looks off, replacing the sensor is the best move. When you install the new one, make sure the O-ring is clean, in place, and not torn, so you don't end up with an air leak afterward. So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix the P0105 error code. After everything, grab your OBD to scanner and clear the code. Take the car for a short drive. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.